You are struggling with discipline and you are struggling to keep yourself accountable to your strategy. You don't know where to take the trade, you don't know where to exit the trade, or do you? I think you know well enough where you need to take your trade, where you need to exit your trade, what you need to look for, but the only problem is that you're not sticking to your plan. Well, in this video we'll give you the solution that will help you with this and will make your life a lot easier to keep yourself accountable to stick to your plan. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so what I'm talking about is the strategy checklist. Basically, you want to make your strategy in a checklist form, in chronological order, what to look for first up to what to look for last. This will help you so much keeping yourself accountable to sticking to that strategy because you're just working off your list. Okay, I need to see sell side liquidity being taken or buy side liquidity being taken, check. I need to see a higher time frame confluence, check. I need to see the trend line being broken, check, right? Every little thing that you want to see happening in your charts, you're going to list that down. I'm going to show you this on the screen, and basically I have a really cool indicator for that, and a lot of people were asking for that, what that indicator was called, and it is this one right here, Trading Checklist by Sonar Lab. Let's put it on here. And as you can see, this is a trading checklist by Sonar Lab, and you can modify this however you like. So basically, you just put this in right here, and then you can start marking off your checks. And this will be really handy because every time you are on the charts and you're just doing your ordinary thing, right in the top right corner, you will see your trading checklist all the time, right? And if I can give you some tips, also write this down on a paper. Write this down on a paper whenever you're starting your trading session so that it is fresh in your mind. And then whenever you're looking at trades, just start to tick off all of these boxes that you're looking for. Okay, for example, right here, the standard thing that they included with it. Trend direction, check. Support and resistance, check. But then I want you to be more clear with this, and I'm going to show you an example in a second. So basically, you can use this trading checklist. What you also can use is a strategy checklist that I made on Notion, and this is part of the Trading Central. If you don't know the Trading Central, link in the description. It's basically a hub that I made all in one place. You can't wish for anything better than this, I would say. I really love it, and it seems like all of you seem to really love it, and I'm really grateful for that. Thank you very much. But the strategy checklist is a part of this. You just go to here, and basically right here you list all of your strategies that you're trading, and then you just mark them off as you're working your way through them, right? Simple as that, guys. And with the trading view, you can't really mark them off, but with the Notion you can, and I think this is just the perfect way how to trade it. So for example, right here, let's do it. Okay, we are in the New York session 10 to 11 a.m. Perfect. Do we have 15 pips to the next liquidity on Forex? Yes. 10 handles to the next liquidity on indices? Of course, this only applies if you're trading indices instead of Forex. So if you're not trading indices, just leave this out of there, yeah? This video is brought to you by Henko Trade. Henko Trade is a broker that offers very low spreads on indices, commodities, Forex, and even crypto. I mean, look at those spreads, for example, on Forex pairs. It is insane. And yes, these are live spreads. They're also offering a 100% bonus at the moment. So basically for every penny that you deposit, they are doubling it. So for example, if you're depositing $500, they're matching it with also $500. So you have $1,000 in total. So if you're looking for a broker with low spreads on indices, crypto, Forex, and commodities, I would say check out Henko Trade. Then we go down to the 1 minute. And by the way, guys, this is just my own take on Silver Bullet. Yeah, I know a lot of you are so stressed out that I'm not using this exact same rules as ICT, but chill, okay? These are my own rules. So then I want to see a liquidity sweep, bam, displacement, bam. We want to see a market structure shift happening by the displacement, bam. And then we want to enter on the fair value gap in a displacement leg. It's easy as that. We're only risking 1%, check. Target is the next liquidity, check. Or the target is 2R. Again, depending on what you like to trade with, next liquidity target, or just a 2R, you only use that, okay? So let's create your own checklist now. And this is basically just my own strategy that I use on a day-to-day basis, my bread and butter. So first of all, I want to see daily direction. So determine daily direction using the daily and 4 hour. So basically this will show me already, okay, we're going short, we're going long, right? Then scale down to the 4 hour and 1 hour to find POIs. And then guys, POIs are FEGs and OBs. So basically, my point of interest areas in the market that I look for are fair value gaps and order blocks. Wait for price to trade into POI. Next, wait for displacement out of POI zone, displacement creates change of character, enter on FEG in displacement lag. Guys, as simple as this checklist. And now I know, okay, I'm going into the charts, it is London opening, it is in the morning, opening my charts, bam, in the top right corner, what am I looking for? It is always refresh in your mind and you will not take super trades that are outside of your plan. Okay, first of all, I'm looking to determine my daily direction using the daily and the 4 hour. Perfect, let's go to the daily. Okay, daily direction, we were here. I marked this off already, I want to sell from here. Perfect. 4 hour, is there anything that I can add to this? No, I can't. Perfect. Then go to the 4 hour and to the 1 hour to find point of interest POIs, and these are the fair value gaps and the order blocks. So basically, for an example, we have a fair value gap right here, and this would have been the point of interest area for me to look at if I would take a trade today, which I also did from this area. As you can see, we're basically reverse breaking down this trade, and this is a trade that you also saw in the last video. I'm recording this video after the last one, but as you can see, this is now the reverse engineering of this trade. Then the 1 hour, again, this is a 4 hour point of interest area, so it is also a 1 hour point of interest area. 4 hour is stronger, so we're just leaving this on the 4 hour. Then we want to see displacement coming out of this POI zone. I'm going to add this to here on the 15 minute, yeah, to make it even more clear so that there is no confusion possible. On the 15 minutes right here, we see displacement coming out of this zone. And even to add to here, because this is also what I do, is wait for trading the point of interest area is aligned with OTE. Perfect. Now I didn't forget any rule. No, it is exactly like it is. So if you guys have seen the last video, this is aligned with the OTE. We have a reaction out of either 15 minute, bam, bam. Then we want to see displacement creates a change of character. It does on the 5 minute right here. Change of character. I'm not going to put time frames on here because sometimes it is on the 15, sometimes it is on the 5, or sometimes even on the 1 minute. And then basically my entry was right here. If you want to see a breakdown of this, check out the last video. But this is basically how you do it, right? This is basically how you do it. And with that trading checklist being there in the top right corner of your screen every single day, every single time you open the charts, you will remind yourself, okay, I need to look for this, 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 and this. And if you're constantly fueling your brain with this knowledge and basically these rules that are right in front of you, it will make it so much harder to cheat on your trading plan. And it will make it so much harder to not follow your trading plan. So guys, I think this is basically a cheat code to have your trading checklist right in front of your eyes every single time you open the charts. Like I said, also what helps, write this down every single morning, check it off hand by hand, or use the Notion template. As I said already, link in the description, or if you have it already, go ahead and use it right now. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye guys.